Hey guys, we know how important water is for life. We also know that it is a universal solvent as it dissolves a lot of things. Gases like oxygen and nitrogen dissolved in water are used by marine organisms. Salts dissolved in water are important for human growth. But there are certain materials that instead of dissolving in water, react with it to form new substances. Here, we'll see how water reacts chemically with metals and non-metals to form new substances. Have you observed what happens to a gold coin when kept in water? Well, nothing happens. It neither dissolves nor reacts with water to form a new substance. But if you put the metal potassium in water, it catches fire almost immediately, and the same goes for sodium. Potassium reacts with water to form potassium hydroxide and hydrogen gas, whereas sodium reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. If we put calcium in water, it sinks. Notice the bubbles formed? This is the hydrogen gas being released, and calcium is now floating. Calcium reacts with water to form calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. We've seen that metals react with cold water to form metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Metal hydroxide have various industrial uses. Sodium hydroxide is used to make soaps, while calcium hydroxide is applied on walls to give them a smooth, shiny finish before they are painted. Let's see if magnesium reacts with water. Oh, nothing's happening here. Does that mean magnesium does not react with water? Well, no. Magnesium can react with water, but in the form of steam. This is because magnesium is less reactive than the other three metals. When metal reacts with steam, they form metal oxide and hydrogen gas. Magnesium forms magnesium oxide and hydrogen gas. Similarly, when iron reacts with steam, it forms iron oxide, that is triferric tetroxide and hydrogen gas. But metals like gold, silver and platinum do not react with any form of water at all. Now, let's see what happens when water reacts with non-metals. We'll put sulfur and phosphorus in water. Do you see any change? No, right? Let's heat the water. Now, do you see any change? Again, no. This means non-metals like sulfur and phosphorus do not react with water. Even other non-metals like oxygen and nitrogen dissolve in water and remain as they are. They do not react with water to form a new substance. But there are some non-metals that do react with water under certain conditions. For instance, coke, that is carbon, reacts only with steam to produce water gas, which is an important industrial fuel. Similarly, chlorine dissolves in water to form chlorine water. But in the presence of sunlight, chlorine water converts into two new substances, hydrochloric acid and oxygen gas. Here are the non-metallic reactions we just explored. By understanding the chemical properties of water, we can determine how to use it to create new products or substances. Isn't chemistry amazing? Okay then, that's all for today. See you next time.